ऑल्सो मैं एक डेटा देख रहा था कि जो रियल एस्टेट का जो निफ्टी इंडेक्स है दैट पीक्ड समवेयर अराउंड लास्ट ईयर
September,
सितंबर,
yeah.
और उसके बाद से वो नीचे ही गया है. सो उसका आपको क्या लग रहा है कि स्टॉक मार्केट इज इट शोइंग सम पिक्चर जो कि हो रहा है डेवलपर्स के ऑफिसेज के अंदर, या इज इट स्टॉक मार्केट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रियलिटी?
Any stock market definitely mirrors, it's a leading indicator.
ओके.
It mirrors the sentiments. And September, May, it was at an all-time high, very rightly said so. Uske baad, it has taken a pause. But real estate mein, there are some, uh, not like stock market, fast moving, but in real estate, there are some slow moving factors as well,
ओके.
which take their own time. Job growth,
हम्म.
actual physical demand, इंटरेस्ट रेट्स, सो
अच्छा.
ये सब भी इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, जिसका इम्पैक्ट एकदम से आपका स्टॉक मार्केट या इंडेक्स पे नहीं आता है.
हम्म.
सो दे आर अ लीडिंग इंडिकेटर. हाउएवर, there are other slow moving components of the real estate market as well.
आई थिंक इंटरेस्ट रेट तो राइट डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. इंटरेस्ट रेट तो अभी कम ही हुए हैं.
कम ही हुए हैं. सो देन वी कम ऑन टू द एक्चुअल डिमांड ऑल्सो.
ओके.
जॉब ग्रोथ, ओवरऑल, सो पैसा होगा तभी आप घर खरीदेंगे, राइट? सो जो डिमांड है, लाइक वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, इज सॉफ्टनिंग,
ओके.
right? A little bit in that direction. So it's a leading indicator, but it's affected by other factors as well. So shouldn't completely go on that पिछले साल से उसके बाद कुछ हुआ नहीं है.
Okay, so tell me, what does real estate mean to you personally? I wanted to know more about you also. What is Knight Frank? What is your responsibility in the Knight Frank? और इंडिया के अंदर नाइट फ्रैंक कितने सालों से काम कर रहा है? बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद व्हाट इज रियल एस्टेट मीन टू यू पर्सनली.
I would say real estate is gold.
अच्छा.
And the time to buy was always 5 years ago. We were always playing catch up with real estate. Real estate is something we live in. We go to work, we go to shop in, our vacations are there, land, everything around you. And when I said real estate is gold, this is something, it's a hard immovable asset that has intrinsic value.
Okay.
It grows, right? So real estate is gold.
तो आपका रियल एस्टेट में आना कैसे हुआ, एंड हाउ डिड यू नो गेट इन नाइट फ्रैंक? वाज इट बाय लक, वाज इट बाय चॉइस? कैसे था वो वाली जर्नी?
So I got into the industry in 2010. That's where I came. I'm an urban planner, by education from CEPT
Oh
Ahmedabad.
wow.
And being an urban planner, of course, policy, advocacy, and real estate, everything, like I said, is real estate, right? So post that, I've been into consulting.
Okay.
Altogether, 15 years of my professional journey. So hence, I have seen the 2010 cycle as well, right? And so it's been great. I've done consulting, I've done research. Research is closer to me is because research and consulting go hand in hand. You cannot do consulting unless you've done your research. So I would say that it is, macro and micro.
Okay.
Till the time you know about the macros, you cannot give tangible advice to anyone.
And that too big multinational companies.
Right. So research gets you into data, gets you into the overall perspective. And once you've read the intricacies of data is only when you can give valuable advice to anyone. So hence that's been my forte for this time.
एंड नाइट फ्रैंक को कितने साल हो गए इंडिया के अंदर? वी से कि नाइट फ्रैंक इज एन आईपीसी.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
So IPC is these are international property consultants. Now these are companies which have come, their parent company, base companies outside.
Okay.
Knight Frank in India, we just celebrated 30 years.
30.
30, yeah.
Wow.
We just completed 30 years in September. And 95 is the first, 1995
Oh,
is
wow.
when Knight Frank came into India. So international property consultants, five or six, are currently
Yes.
working in India. Knight Frank and the others, an international property consultant would give you advice on office, leasing, transaction, retail, industrial. So basically, they are advisors
Okay.
of choice. And then they have other verticals as well. For example, facilities management,
Acha.
feasibility study
Research.
consulting, research and consulting is something that all of the IPCs do.
Okay.
And we have corporates coming to us for advice on, basically best use studies or where to do what,
Acha.
India entry strategies, etc.
Hmm.
So we specialize in all of that. Then the office market, the leasing transaction teams, be it office or retail, industrial, warehousing, data center.
Okay.
So everything real estate comes under the purview of an IPC and Knight Frank.
But your clientele is not a normal day-to-day person.
No,
You are consulting to big companies.
right. So when we, let's say an IPC is doing residential,
Hmm.
so it would be a B2B kind
Acha.
of a service. They would
Okay.
be advising the developer. We do not take the consumer. So consumer is for knowledge. However, we do not deal with the consumer on a day-to-day
Okay.
basis.
So, your final thought, any message that you want to give to our audience, to any end user, maybe an investor, a buyer, any final message?
So I hope you call me again and it's not the final message I'm giving.
No, it will be
So,
my pleasure.
let's say for an end user, I would say uh, don't buy a promise.
Okay.
Do your due checks. And let's say if your finances are in place, at least everybody should buy one house
Hmm.
in their lifetime.
Agree.
This is for the end user. For the investor side, I would say that the time for quick churns is gone. That we everybody made good money from the 21 period.
Have a long term
Have a
horizon.
long term horizon. Now the time is for steady growth. 10 years is minimum window one needs to have.
Okay.
Of course, there are these policy shifts, or let's say the pandemic. So these are anomalies
Yeah,
that
agree.
happened. Otherwise, in real estate investment, have a 10-year horizon period
Hmm.
and be informed. Even if somebody is saying that I'll double your money in 5 years, probably it happened in 21. It will not happen now unless something else comes up, and
Hmm.
nobody can time that, right?
Hmm.
And overall, again, be cautious. It's a time to be cautious now. Let's say not get into the frenzy
Hmm.
of new launches, even if you are an end user or an investor. For an end user, definitely see the project,
Okay.
get the developer track record, credibility, which currently all developers hold
Yeah.
because of the RERA things in place. And yes, everybody together, the time to buy property was 5 years ago. So otherwise, one always plays catch up in real estate.